Hello, my name is Łukasz Błocki. I'm architect at Storware. Today we will talk about 3-to-1 backup rule in Storware Backup and Recovery. 3-to-1 backup rule, it means 3 backup copies. So we want to have the same version of the backup in the 3 locations maybe. Next 2, it means 2 medium type and 2 locations. So we want to have the data maybe on the storage, local storage, and additionally on the tapes, or maybe S3 bucket or any other type of the medium. 1, it means 1 offsite copy, so we need to take our data outside of our data center to the different location. Next, if we see our example, today we want to backup the KVM environment by the Storware, and in the default we have 1 local storage where we store our backups. First step is to add the replication, so we move our data to replicate our data to second storage. Next, we can add the library, tape library, to have the different medium type. And optionally, we can take that tapes periodically to the vault, to the safe location. And if we divide that by the locations, then Storware with the primary storage is located in the primary data center. Next, tape library and replication storage is in the second data center. Vault, of course, is somewhere in the safe location. If we temporarily forgot about tapes, we can do that in a different way. So on that place we can put the S3 bucket, that can be the option, maybe Azure Blob Storage, Google Cloud Storage, or air gap location like ISO layer. Okay, so firstly we need to log into Storware. And we need to have prepared a backup destination. So I have 1 storage with the replication as the file system synthetic backup destination. Other options is ISO layer with the synthetic. So we need to have 1 of that storage with the replication. Next, I prepared S3 backup destination with the bucket. So I have that. And last, I also created the tape pool to have the backups on the tapes. Next, to do that backups, to have the backups in the few locations, we need to go to the backup policies. And I have here 2 examples, one with the tapes. So we go to the edit our policy, and we need to go to the rules. And in the rules, we define where we keep our backups. So primary location is our storage with the replication. Second storage, in that case, we choose the tape pool. Retention, we can set regarding to our requirements. For the tape pools, we can set maybe longer retention if that medium for us is cheaper. So I save that. Next, let's overview the policy for the with the combination with the S3 backup destination. And here again, we are going to the rules. We have the primary backup destination on the storage with the replication. Next, we have secondary backup destination on the S3. So when we do the backups, that backups will be located in the 2 locations. I have 2 VMs to backup, and I added them to that policies. So when we execute that backup, we can do the full or maybe incremental. The backups will be added to the queue state. We need to wait to finish of that backup. Then you will see that backup when export will be executed. The next stage, store, will be processed to the 2 locations. Okay, so our backup is finished. We see we have 1 export, so we have 1 backup version, and it's stored in the 2 locations. So 1 is in our storage with the replication, second on the tape pool. And it's finished for the both backup jobs. Right now we can, when we do restore of that virtual machine, when we select that VM, we can choose what backup version we want to restore, and optionally we can select also from what storage we want to do that restore. So we can select if it's from the S3 or maybe from that storage with the replication. If it's faster, it's near of our node. Or if I choose the second machine, then I can choose if I want to restore the data from the local storage or from the tape pool. So we have that two options. Next, if we want to move our data to the vault, then we need to go to our tape pools, to our next in the location. We need to check if we have any location. We can create the new one, then we put some name for that location and some descriptions, maybe some data, where is that safe location, where is that vault, some phone number to the person responsible for that location. Next, in the tape manager, we can view our tapes and we can move them to the safe location. So we eject that, and right now I can select that location. So later, if I want to restore the data from that tapes located in the vault, Storware inform me about that. Give me the list of the tapes what are required to restore that specific backup. So I move that. When that job is finished, I can go here back to my VM, and let's say the backup history, my backup action, in the details, in the tapes, I can see on what tape that backup is located and in what location is stored right now. So firstly, I need to take that tape from that vault location, insert to the library, import it, and next I can do the restore of that VM. This is how we can configure 3-to-1 backup rule in Storware Backup and Recovery. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode of Storware Academy.